Hello and welcome to Eagle Ridge High School. Our vision: Eagle Ridge High School believes that each and every child can go to college. Eagle Ridge High School sets high expectations for every student and goes the extra mile to make sure every student realizes their own potential. Personalized learning, critical thinking skills, mastery of core subjects is our recipe for success. Our mission at Eagle Ridge High School: that the mighty eagles soar 100% every day. As team and family, we sweat the small stuff and do whatever it takes in closing the achievement gaps. No excuses. Our core values are: we act with integrity, we put the best interests and, most importantly, our students at the forefront of all our decisions and actions, taking personal responsibility to model the honest and ethical behavior we want our students and each other to demonstrate every day. We achieve academic excellence. We believe ensuring college success for 100% of our students is the best way to help them succeed in life and in seeing obstacles they face as opportunities for learning and growth. Every member works together to ensure each student on every campus is in every classroom receives a high quality education. We deliver results. We set ambitious goals, hold ourselves and each other accountable for achieving results, and believe that our students will succeed to and through college. Our results show what's possible when the adults in the system get it right and represent the collective effort and focus of the entire team and family. Our core value: we ensure equity. We set high expectations and share compassion and empathy for every member of the Eagle team and family. We differentiate our support and resources, proactively address racism and discrimination, and advocate alongside our students and staff to empower them with the opportunities to succeed and ensure the respect they deserve. Our core value: we build team and family. We foster a sense of belonging and inclusivity by treating every member of the Eagle team and family, our students, staff, families, and community, with compassion, respect, and humility. We maximize our individual best efforts through collaboration and support of each other in the focused pursuit of our collective mission. And lastly, our core value: we sweat the small stuff. We embrace that achieving excellence lies in paying attention to and carrying out the details, the small stuff, the going into effective execution and positive implementation. Every step of the way, the Eagle team and family prioritizes actions contributing to our mission. It is important that we have these core values set to thrive within our vision and our mission. It helps to set up the cultural dynamic within our campus. Here at our campus, we want to make sure that diversity is the presence of different types of people from a wide range of cultures and identities, with different perspectives and experiences that include, but are not limited to, the following: race, ethnicity, language, socioeconomic background, physical and cognitive ability, religion, and political affiliations. We want to make sure that everybody is always respected, treated kindly, and respectful. We want to make sure that we ensure equity. We continually assess policies and practices and ensure that allocation of financial and human resources based upon fairness, and confirm that all students and schools get what they need to be successful. We want to make sure that we include everyone. The process of intentionally putting diversity into action by creating an environment of involvement, respect, and belongingness, where the richness of ideas, backgrounds, and perspectives are harnessed to create value. We want this to be carried on to and through all our classrooms, within every teacher, within every student, within every family. We're passionate innovative, and dedicated. We invest in people who bring 100% every day and are motivated to inspire others to believe in themselves and do their best work. We want to be able to set up our vision and our mission to be able to carry on through our campus. We want to make sure that we hold our students, families, and staff to the highest expectations and core values that guide our campus. We understand that there is racism, there is bias, and there is privilege that does exist in our society. However, we are committed to promote cultural awareness, kindness, inclusivity of all cultures and backgrounds. We are dedicated to positively supporting our students, families, and staff by holding our campus to equitable practices, policies, and structures, thus promoting a positive campus and culture where everyone is able to collaborate effectively with kindness and respect. This is why we hold our core values, our mission, and our vision so closely and dear to our hearts. Thank you for listening.